We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page on an HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283fdw. So first thing is you want to make sure that you're on the home screen, and you can actually scroll to the left. It says supplies. Go ahead and hit that. Then it shows you your supplies levels, or your supply level here, but if you would like to just have it printed out and kind of see how many pages you've printed or things like that, you go ahead and hit report. Then your printer should initialize and start printing your supply status page. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.